Schluter TREP-FL is a decorative stainless steel stair-nosing profile with a protruding rounded edge that can be integrated into stairs covered with ceramic tile or natural stone. In addition to its design element, the profile also protects the front edge of stairs and adds a high degree of safety by improving the visibility of the stair edges. Matching end caps are available for TREP-FL. Schluter TREP-FL provides an elegant solution to finish and protect tile edges in residential stair applications. The first step towards a successful project is planning. In this example, we have selected the tile and corresponding profiles and determined the overall layout. TREP-FL will be used as the stair nosing. The Schluter Dial-X EKE movement joint will be used between the stair treads and risers. The Schluter Dial-X BWA movement joint will be installed between the tile and stringers. The Dial-X profiles are maintenance-free alternatives to sealant joints. We selected the TREP-FL size according to the thickness and format of the adjacent tile. In addition to tile setting tools, be sure to gather the appropriate cutting tools for the profiles. Depending on the profile material, different tools will be required. For the stainless steel TREP-FL, we will be using a variable speed angle grinder with the Schluter ProCut TSM cutting wheel. The planning is now complete, and we're ready to prepare for installation. In this video, we'll demonstrate the proper installation of the TREP-FL profile in a residential stair application. The sequence may vary depending on the layout and installer preference. The TREP-FL profiles are installed in conjunction with the tiles. The stairs have been prepared to receive tile, including installation of the Schluter Ditra uncoupling membrane. Measure where the TREP-FL will be installed along the stair nosing. Transfer the measurement to the profile. The TREP-FL is cut using a variable speed angle grinder with the ProCut TSM cutting wheel. Be sure to observe all safety instructions and standards. Set the angle grinder to the lowest speed. Cut the profile slowly. Using the grinder on high speed or trying to make cuts too fast can result in warping and discoloration of the metal. File the cut end of the profile to remove any burrs. Dry fit the profile before moving forward with the installation. Measure where the Dial-X profiles will be installed and cut the profiles to length using snips. Make sure the blade is sharp to help ensure a clean cut. Dry fit the Dial-X EKE. Use a cut section of the riser tile to determine the proper measurements. Place the stair riser tile onto the Dial-X EKE and dry fit the TREP-FL over the tile. Measure and cut sections of Dial-X BWA for the tread and riser. Dry fit the Dial-X BWA. Where profile anchoring legs overlap, they must be trimmed as this would interfere with the tile installation. Cut the anchoring legs and dry fit the profiles. Continue the process of measuring, cutting, and dry fitting the TREP-FL and Dial-X profiles onto the stairs to ensure proper fit. Once the profiles have been cut and checked, the installation can begin. Using a notched trowel, apply thin-set mortar to the stair riser and adjacent treads for the installation of the profiles and tile. We begin by simply placing the Dial-X movement profiles at the tread-to-riser transition and against the stringers. The profiles will be held in place with the installation of the adjacent tiles. Trowel thin-set mortar over the perforated anchoring legs to ensure full coverage and support of the tile edges. Solidly embed the tiles in the thin-set mortar, leaving a joint of approximately 1/16 inch to 1/8 inch between the tile and the profile. Apply thin-set mortar to the area where the TREP-FL will be installed. Fill the cavity at the front edge of the profile with thin-set mortar. Press the anchoring leg of the profile into the thin-set mortar and align. Stair-nosing profiles must be solidly embedded prior to setting tile to ensure support and long-term performance. Trowel thin-set mortar over all the profile anchoring legs to ensure full coverage and support of the tile edges on the stair tread. Solidly embed the tiles into the thin-set mortar so that the tiled surface is flush with the surface of the profiles. Insert the tile into the pocket of the Dialex EKE. Remove excess setting material from the profiles immediately to avoid any damage to the finish. Repeat the installation process, making sure the TREP-FL is properly supported on each stair tread. The TREP-FL installation is now complete. With proper planning and execution, the TREP-FL profile will provide a clean finish and protect tile edges on stairs.